Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, VS Code installed and your GitHub account ready. Once you install and enable the Copilot extension, allow required permissions so it can read context. Open the project folder and a relevant source file. This primes Copilot to analyze your repo and offer accurate completions. Make sure you have basic network access, otherwise suggestions may lag. Now begin typing a function or comment to trigger your first inline suggestions and see how Copilot predicts intent. Once suggestions appear, guide Copilot by adding descriptive comments and crisp function signatures so its predictions match your intent. Use Tab to accept a completion quickly or Control+Enter to open the suggestion panel for alternates. Preview ghost text before accepting. Make sure to iterate. Edit a suggestion to teach the model the style you want, and use workspace settings to tune frequency and languages. If you work across multiple repos, enable per workspace configuration to keep behavior consistent with each codebase. Finish by thoroughly reviewing Copilot-generated code for logic, security, and license concerns before committing. Run linters and unit tests to validate behavior. Make iterative edits where needed to align style and performance. If suggestions stop appearing, reload the VS Code window, examine the Copilot extension logs, and confirm your GitHub authentication or subscription is active. If network or permission issues persist, sign out and sign back in. This often restores access and resumes normal suggestion flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.